What I'm just going to cover for you today is just a bunch of different angles of elbows. We've been going through footwork, some basic punches, so I'm going to go through some basic elbows, okay? This isn't all the elbows you can throw, but just some basic ones that you can start to practice. We're going to be in our fighting stance here, okay? Now, the first type of elbow I'm going to throw is a crushing elbow. I call this a crushing elbow because it just comes across when I turn, just like I would with a punch. I'm going to cross straight across that horizontal line. I'm going to do the same on the other side. So this is our crushing elbow. Bomb, bomb, okay? Thai guys, because they're used to wearing gloves, generally practice these open hand. The Kudo guys, because they fight in little gloves and are worried about their fingers all the time, it's closed fists, okay? So if you watch people doing a little bit differently, generally there's a reason because of the sport. The next one I'm going to show you is a cutting elbow, okay? Probably the most common form of elbow that people like to throw is we're going to come down, up and over the top on a 45. Again, up and we roll it through. Okay, so watch again, I come up, bomb, and I'm going to cut over the top and roll my hand back to my face, okay? The next type of elbow is a driving elbow, okay? I don't want it to go just up. What we're going to do is I'm going to step and I'm going to drive. Step and drive. This is much more effective than just trying to go up, okay? So it drives in like a jab, bomb, connected to your feet, bomb, connected to your feet, so the elbow's driving through. So watch again, these angles, we got crush, boom, cut, boom, and then drive, okay? These are really nice, simple, effective elbows, not the only ones you can throw, but a really good starting point. Just start throwing them in your combinations like you would punches. Jab, crush, crush. 1, 2, crush. Okay, makes it nice and easy then. Double jab, boom, cut. Cross hook, cross, boom, cut. Jab, drive. Jab, cross, drive. Okay, they're really easy to start putting into your combinations. Super fun and super effective, okay? He who controls the distance controls the fight, and being able to fight at every distance is important, all the way long punches and kicks, down in close for elbows and knees.